Okay, so let us start with PSM practicals. Okay, so in PSM practical, we have 3 units to cover. Mm, Not 3, actually 2. One is your infection, and the second one is about vital signs. In vital signs, it will come temperature, pulse, respiration, and your BP, that is blood pressure. Okay, so today we are going to start with your temperature. Write down the topic Unit 1 Vital Signs. Write down Unit 1 Vital Signs. You have to write this down in your PSM practical notebook that I have asked you to purchase. Okay, if anyone didn't purchase, then you please buy it, and for today you can write it down in your rough copy. But you have to write it down. Okay, I will check it. I will ask any day, and you have to show me. Write down the vital signs. And this is important for your exam purpose also. Okay, whether be it online or offline, but there are marks for your PSM practical. So I'll be checking the notes. Write down vital signs. The Dolot, you write the 4 primary vital signs are. The 4 primary vital signs are. The 4 primary vital signs are. The 4 FOUR, the 4 primary vital signs are: number 1, temperature, TEM, PE, RA, TURE, temperature, comma, pulse, 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 temperature, comma, pulse, 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 comma, respiratory rate, RES, PI, RA, TORY, respiratory rate, RAT rate, respiratory rate, and blood pressure. Respiratory rate, you just write RR, capital RR, okay, respiratory rate, and blood pressure, BP. Blood pressure, BLOOD, PRESSURE, blood pressure. So these are the 4 vital signs. Okay, when I ask you what are the vital signs, you cannot tell me like pulse, then respiration, temperature, blood pressure. Ulta fulta you cannot tell me. Okay, you have to tell me serially. It goes as TPR, BP. You have to know TPR and BP. T means temperature, R means P means pulse, R means respiration, and the last is your blood pressure. So it should come in sequence. Okay. If you tell me ulta pulta, then that is not the correct way of saying. So TPR, BP. Next you write below you just write next paragraph. You just write one line. A fifth vital sign. A fifth, FIFTH. Main to tomorrow, that 4 are your main one. Okay. TPR and BP. Next you write a fifth vital sign. A fifth vital sign is pain, 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 big, okay, PAIN, pain. A fifth vital sign is pain. We are not going to discuss about pain, but you should know that the fifth vital sign is regarding pain, okay. So now we have to discuss one by one, okay. Temperature we'll discuss. After that we'll go with pulse, then respiration, then blood pressure. So at a dangor, can you write down the heading temperature? Write down temperature.
Vital sign is
Write down temperature. Underline it and write down. Temperature may be defined. Temperature may be defined. Temperature may be defined. Temperature may be defined on the degree of heat maintained by the body. On the degree of heat maintained by the body. Temperature may be defined on the degree of heat maintained by the body. Full stop. Heat maintained by the body. Full stop. It is the balance between. It is the balance between. It is the balance between heat produced and heat loss from the body. It is the balance between heat produced and heat loss from the body. Okay. So in vital signs, first thing that we are going to discuss is about temperature. And as you all know, temperature is the degree of heat that is maintained by our individual bodies. Okay. So it is a balance. Okay, a balance between heat loss and that heat produced by our body. So I'll just share one screen. Rubber. Wait, huh? Wait for 1 second. Acha, is it visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Screen visible?
Yes,
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So after you have written the definition. Okay. After you have written the definition, below you write down temperature normal level. Normal oral temperature 37 degrees. Degree you can write it as upside, you can write that 0 also. Okay, actually I can't, that's why 37 degrees Celsius in bracket. In Fahrenheit it is 98.6 degree Fahrenheit. Normal rectal temperature 37.5 degree to 99.5 degree Fahrenheit, which is 1 degree Fahrenheit, 0.6 degrees Celsius higher than the oral temperature. Auxiliary temperature is 36.5 degrees Celsius too, which in Fahrenheit it is 97.7 degree Fahrenheit, which is 1 degree Fahrenheit, 0.6 degrees Celsius lower than an oral temperature. So you just write this down. These are the normal values. Okay, oral temperature, the normal value is this. I have given both in Celsius and Fahrenheit. Rectal or same, Celsius and Fahrenheit I have given, and in axilla also Celsius and Fahrenheit. You write this down, you copy this. You just need to know the normal temperature. Mute yourself. Do you want to write now or you want to take the screenshot? Say.
Screenshot is better, ma'am.
Okay. I want no need screenshot. I will send you the heading. I will send you this in your WhatsApp. Okay. No need to take the screenshot. I'll share it with you.
Okay,
Then
ma'am.
how to measure body. So before this, you see this. This is a digital thermometer. Okay, and this is a clinical mercury in glass thermometer, glass mercury. Why it is called glass mercury? Because this outside, you can see the outside part, it is made of glass, and inside there is a silver lining. Okay, the silver lining is known as mercury. Okay, para. So this silver lining is known as mercury. So this is a glass mercury thermometer where the mercury is inserted inside, and you can also see this. When you put this inside the mouth or inside the axilla or the rectum, what will happen? This mercury will show the reading. Okay, whereas in digital, if you just put, it will show automatically. So this is the difference between digital and glass mercury. Next, how to measure body temperature orally. First, we will discuss oral route. Okay, why oral route? Because first we will discuss oral temperature. Second, we will be discussing about the rectal. Next is axilla. So for today, let us discuss oral temperature. So the normal oral temperature is 37 degree Celsius. In Celsius, it is 37 degree. Whereas in Fahrenheit, it is 98.6 degree Fahrenheit. So this is the normal oral temperature. Oral means inside your mouth. You can see this. How to measure body temperature orally? First is turn on thermometer according to package directions. Okay, this is a digital thermometer that I have shown you. First, you have to turn on. There is a switch, turn on and off, so you can turn it on. After that, place the tip of the thermometer under one side of tongue towards the back. Close mouth and breathe through nose. So the second thing that you will be doing is your thermometer should be placed inside your mouth, but your tongue should be folded up. Okay, below your tongue, you should take the oral temperature, not just keeping inside the mouth and ho gaya, not like that. Okay, you should close your mouth, and in the side of your tongue will be twisted up. Okay, and below the tongue, you should place the thermometer accurately, and then you should close your mouth for 1 minute. For accurately at 1 minute. In digital, it will show automatically. Okay, whereas for this Harry mercury, you need to have a watch with you so that you can see the time. Okay, accurately you should take for 1 minute. Okay, whereas in digital, it will be automatic. So for 1 minute you need to take. Next is after the reading is done, if it is a digital, it will make the sound, you will just come to know. And if it is a glass, then glass thermometer, then after 1 minute you need to take it out from the patient's mouth. Okay, then remove the thermometer after you hear the signal. Okay, after that you can check out the reading in the reading meter where it is written. And before inserting any equipment, okay, this is also one kind of a instrument for measuring your body temperature. Before that also, you should always wash the tip of the thermometer before inserting in a patient's mouth. Okay, even after taking it out, after the reading also, you should wipe. Okay, with a cotton swab, you should wipe the thermometer from the tip to the upside so as to prevent cross contamination. Okay, but every time you should clean it, don't just insert. Next, coming to the advantages of oral temperature, there are few advantages and disadvantages of using oral temperature. Okay, so the advantage is oral temperature much more tolerated than the rectal one. Rectal is, I will discuss with you later, so is less concerned by infections. Okay, in rectal it is a bit painful and it is mostly done for children. Okay, below 5 years of age, below 1 year, mostly below 1 to 2 years of age, we go for rectal temperature. Okay, but for adult, we can go for oral, as well as most preferable one is the axillary temperature. It is taken inside your armpit. Okay, it is a good indicator of the central temperature, but drinks and food and ambient air deeply influence the result. Okay, if you drink like before taking oral temperature, if you take a cup of coffee or if you take cold water, fridge water, then your reading will not be accurate. It might be wrong. because of the heat. If you take warm water, obviously the inside of your mouth will be hot. So because of which the reading might come a bit high. It might give you wrong reading. Okay, so before taking any temperature orally, the patient should not consume anything. At least 10 minutes before, whatever he or she wants to have, cold water, hot drinks, anything, he or she can consume, but 10 minutes prior, he or she should not take anything. Okay, after the temperature is taken, they can consume anything that they want, but before 10 minutes, they should not. Next, coming to the disadvantages. Oral readings won't be accurate, the one which I said you, eating and drinking, because it may the result might be skewed by your food or drink temperature. Whatever you eat or drink, because of that, it might give you false reading. Then patient with oral surgery. If a patient has undergone any surgery inside his buccal cavity or inside his mouth, then it is not advisable for such patient to undergo oral temperature. Okay, the temperature should be taken in the axilla. That axilla mane tumar armpit. Next, patient below 5 years of age. Okay, all the patients, all the younger, all the infants, okay, and children, patients below 5 years of age, they should not be, we should not take oral temperature for such babies. Why? Because when you put the thermometer inside the baby's mouth, what it will do? Sometimes it might just try to eat. Okay, it might, because they doesn't know the difference between food and all these things. So because of this, it becomes risky for the babies, for the younger ones. But for adults, they know what is it, they know the function, so they will be careful. Whereas the babies, if they chew, the glass might enter his or her mouth. So it is not advisable for patients below 5 years of age to undergo oral temperature. For such patients below 5 years of age, mostly rectal temperature is preferable. Okay, so this is also same thing. Advantage of this site are that it is readily accessible and comfortable for the patient. Then eating, drinking, smoking, and the use of oxygen by cannula or mask can affect the measurement. Then the patient must be able to close the mouth around the thermometer. A patient who has undergone surgery might not be able to close his mouth. Okay, so for such patients also, it is not advisable. Okay, and it is also not a preferable site for infants and young children, unconscious patient, a patient who is in coma. Okay, all those patients who are in CCU or ICU, it is also not advisable for such patient if they are not conscious. Then post oral surgery, then people with seizure or fits. Okay, so for such patients also it is not advisable. So this is all about your oral temperature in short. Okay, so in next class we can discuss about the rectal temperature, and all these notes I will share in your WhatsApp. You can check it out. Okay, and
Okay, ma'am.
this vital signs and this vital signs, I think you will even get in anatomy and physiology also. So it is the same thing. Okay, but because vital sign is vital signs, but the thing is that I need my notes only. Okay, whatever I'm giving you, please try to write those during your exams, or if I ask you, I need my notes. Okay, so study well. Okay, and
Okay, ma'am.
I will be checking your practical, so you maintain your copy. You have to start writing it properly. And even your theory notes also, whatever I'm giving, I hope you all are noting it down. Okay, so please note it down. And if there is anything that you didn't understand, then you can ask me.
मैम practical to मैम botany বা zoology copy লিখিলেও হ'ব মানে zoology practical
হৈ যাব and the last class, I think yesterday you have started now with all those singing and all that. Last class they were asking us for the last class, like we should take all this activity class. So is anyone prepared for anything, be it a recitation or singing or anything, or else you want to discuss something, you want to share about your experience here in EDU, or your or anything about your hobbies or whatever? If you're interested, you can please say something. Acha, where is the CR? Jivan Chitri? Gayatri and Jiban, where are they? Jiban? Unmute yourself. Okay, others? No one today?
No, ma'am.
Yesterday who have participated?
Yes, ma'am.
You have participated yesterday?
Yes. Yes, ma'am. Yes,
What
ma'am.
did you do? Sing.
Sing. Yes, ma'am.
What did you sing?
Mm,
What did you sing? Song? Which song? Yeah. Kyoda?
I forgot, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
How can you forget within 1 day? And who else? Do something, someone. Costa?
Yes, ma'am. Not prepared, ma'am, today.
Paper prepare one. Okay. Carly? Carly?
Yes, ma'am.
Have you prepared anything?
No, ma'am.
No. Who is there? Siti Debarma?
Yes, ma'am.
Have you prepared anything?
No, ma'am.
No? Why? Shilunok? Shilu is there.
Yes, ma'am.
What did you prepare?
Song.
Can you sing now? Any song will do.
When can I sing tomorrow?
Tomorrow? No,
Yeah,
today.
actually my.
You have to sing today only.
Okay, then.
Hmm?
Okay, then wait for 1 minute.
What?
Ma'am,
Hmm.
wait for 1 minute.
Oh, okay, okay. Okay, you prepare yourself. I'll wait. What about others? Driti Raj? Driti Raj.
Yes, ma'am.
Keep preparing. Any preparation?
Ma'am, এতিয়ালৈ নাই।
Huh?
এতিয়ালৈ নাই কৰা।
তুমিতো গান গাবলৈ জানা ন?
গান গাব ইমান নাজানো।
What about others who are there? Singni Suchiang. Smita Chetri.
No, ma'am.
Didn't prepare.
Ma'am,
Okay.
actually, I've written poem.
Huh?
Ma'am, I have written poem and I recite that time, ma'am.
Oh, okay, okay. You already recited. Okay, Shilu,
Yes,
now
ma'am.
are you ready?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you sing and then we can end today's class. We can take the class tomorrow. If you want, you can turn on your video. If you're comfortable, you can turn on your video. पूरा ready.
Would you like to hear our song or English? Naka song or English?
Anything that you want. Both are good.
What about from my classmate?
Your classmates. Your classmates,
English,
they
bro.
haven't prepared, I guess.
Okay, then I'll sing
Samson.
that
Uh-huh.
one day.
Okay, one day you want to sing.
Yes.
Okay.
Time to lay under the moon. I think I'm breathing. Then I'm brave. Don't take me soon. Cause I am here for reasons. Sometimes my tears I drown. But I never let me get me down. So I negativity surround. I know someday it'll all turn around. Cause all my life I've been waiting for, I've been praying for the people to say that we don't wanna fight no more. There'll be no more war, and our children will pay one day, one day, one day, one day, one day, one day. It's not about win or lose, we all lose when the feet of souls of the innocent blood drenched faith and keep on moving through the water, stay raging. In dismay, you can lose your way. It might drive you crazy, but don't let it fast away. No way. Sometimes in my tears I drown, but I never let me get me down. So I negativity surround. I know someday it'll all turn around. Cause all my life I've been waiting for, I've been praying for the people to say that we don't wanna fight no more. There'll be no more war, and our children will pay one day, one day, one day, one day, one day, one day. Thank you.
Done. Very good. You sing very well, Shilono. I
Thank you, ma'am.
suppose you are used to sing from before, no?
No, ma'am.
Recent.
Yeah, this year.
From where did you learn the guitar?
From internet.
From internet. Oh.
Yeah, actually, the guitar is also not mine. It's my small sister's.
Oh, that means she can play guitar.
No, just the last year she passed out class 6, so my parents
Bought
bought
for
it
her.
for her. Yeah,
Okay.
and then she's not playing, so due to of this lockdown, I'm just learning how to play guitar.
Okay, very good. Others also you should learn something, okay? Instead of just sitting, roaming around, you should also do something creative. You should do something that will help you, okay? Be it learning a guitar or whatever it is. Do something helpful, something creative it should be. Me too, I'll try. Okay, but the thing is that I can't play anything. I can't play any instrument. Okay, next day, Jeevan Chetri, you should be ready, CR. Now to pura chup chap.
Okay,
Okay, Jeevan.
okay, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, then. Thank you to all of you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Hmm.
One.